Hello everyone, welcome to Jano TV. What is the capital of India? Mumbai, New Delhi, Kolkata, Chennai. Answer B. New Delhi. Who was the first president of India? Jawaharlal Nehru, Mahatma Gandhi, Rajendra Prasad, Sardar Patel. Answer C. Rajendra Prasad. Which is the national flower of India? Rose, sunflower, lotus, lily. Answer C. Lotus. Which is the largest state in India by area? Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh. Answer C. Rajasthan. Who wrote the Indian national anthem Jana Gana Mana? Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay, Rabindranath Tagore, Sarojini Naidu, C. Subramanya Bharati. Answer B. Rabindranath Tagore. Which river is considered the holiest river in India? Yamuna, Brahmaputra, Ganga, Ganges, Godavari. Answer C. Ganga, Ganges. What is the national animal of India? Lion, elephant, Bengal tiger, peacock. Answer C. Bengal tiger. What is the highest civilian award in India? Padma Bhushan, Padma Vibhushan, Bharat Ratna, Padma Shri. Answer C. Bharat Ratna. Which Indian city is known as the Silicon Valley of India? Hyderabad, Chennai, Pune, Bengaluru, Bangalore. Answer D. Bengaluru, Bangalore. When did India gain independence from British rule? 1945, 1946, 1947, 1948. Answer C. 1947. What is the name of the Indian Space Agency? NASA, ESA, ISRO, JAXA. Answer C. ISRO. Which Mughal empire built the Taj Mahal? Akbar, Aurangzeb, Humayun, Shah Jahan. Answer D. Shah Jahan. Which state in India has the longest coastline? Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Gujarat, Kerala. Answer C. Gujarat. Who is known as the Iron Man of India? Jawaharlal Nehru, Subhash Chandra Bose, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Lal Bahadur Shastri. Answer C. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Which festival is known as the Festival of Colors in India? Diwali, Holi, Eid, Christmas. Answer B. Holi. What is the official language of the Indian government along with English? Bengali, Marathi, Hindi, Tamil. Answer C. Hindi. Which of the following is a desert located in India? Gobi, Sahara, Thar, Kalahari. Answer C. Thar. Which city is known as the City of Joy in India? Mumbai, Kolkata, Bengaluru, Jaipur. Answer B. Kolkata. What is the traditional Indian system of medicine called? Homeopathy, Ayurveda, Allopathy, Acupuncture. Answer B. Ayurveda. Which Indian state is known for its tea gardens? Kerala, Assam, Rajasthan, Goa. Answer B. Assam. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like to our channel.